7, Skinner 8, Jeff Clark 9, Nathan Clark 10. Need a lesson 5. Couple corners easy. Rodney's on the way with it. Rodney followed by Don, followed by Gomez. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy does it, guys. Don's waiting up. Sees the mayhem. Easy. Everybody wants it the first lap. And we're sorting ourselves out. Don and Rodney. Back to back, they're going to work themselves through this. Let's see, the black and orange coming down the front straightaway. Let's see who's taking the lead on this. It is Kevin McCleary, followed by Gomez. Followed by McCoy, Timmy fourth, Ryder Flag in fifth. Clark 6, Nathan Clark 7, John's an 8, Skinner is a 9. Gomez, 2, taking the 1 and 2 position, coming around the back double. Rodney Black works his way back up to 3rd, followed by Tim, who's in 4th. McCoy works his way back to 5th. Skinner works his way up to 6th, Don drops down to 7th, Jeff Clark 8th, Nathan Clark 9th. Cleary says, thanks for the mayhem as he works through the double. He'll take it and run with it. Rodney Black says, the heck he will, I'm running you down. Rodney Black running the yellow and black. He's coming down the front straight. Red, white, and green down in the middle of it still, working hard to get away from it. Position 1, just coming over to the front of the driver's stand. Black and orange, he's your leader. That's Kevin McCleary, followed by Gomez. Going down the back straightaway right now, going over the loop. That's McCleary, your blue and orange with the black and white compared. Rodney Black works his way up to 3rd, Timmy's 4th. Following leader, just entering the front straightaway right now, going over the loop as I speak. That's McCleary 1, Gomez 2, Rodney Black is in 3rd. Rodney is mere feet away from 0 to hero, working his way. Timmy 4, McCoy 5th. Don works his way up to 6th.
4 left.
That is your leader, going over the doubles as I speak. Gomez in the lead. Rodney Black moves himself up to 2nd position, I believe, coming down the back straightaway to the driver's stand. Blue and orange going down the front straightaway. That is your leader. That is Gomez in the lead, followed by McCleary and Black. Go wide in front of the driver's stand. Go wide. That is clear. Oh, he has some mixed up at the 2. Proceeds to clear. He takes over 1st position. Gomez 2nd. Black 3rd. Followed by Timmy in 4th. McCoy in 5th. Waterman 6th. John is 7th. Nathan Clark is in 8th. Skinner is in 9th. Clayton is in 10th. Seconds left in this race.
What are you, second? Oh.
Leaders coming over the double-double. Those are your leaders. That is one of your leaders taken out. Let's see how this shakes out. Here we go in front of the driver's stand. 1 and 2. Let's see spot, first place to get back. That's white and red. That's your third place. Let's see how it shakes out right here. Cleary's in first. Black's in second. Timmy takes over third. McCoy drops down to fourth. Jeff Clark comes up to fifth. John Gordon is in sixth. Gomez falls back to seventh. Skinner bumps up into seventh.
Wait.
Black's nothing on the two, going to double-double. Rodney Black takes him over the lead. Let's see if he can hold it going through the rhythm section from the driver's stand. Sure enough, from last to first, Rodney Black takes over first position with a little over a minute left, followed by McCleary in second. Timmy's in third. McCoy is in fourth. Clark is in fifth.
1 minute
Yeah,
left.
yellow and black coming down the straightaway. Rodney Black in first position. Followed by your blue and orange, McCleary. Racers, you have just over 30 seconds remaining in this race. These guys battle it out for themselves, waiting for their mistake. There it is, he'll capitalize. He gets shoved wide. Uh-oh, we've got a fight now. Black says, move over, guys. I'm coming through. I'm coming through. Going down the back straightaway. Let's see how this shook up. Black maintains first place, followed by McCleary. Third place is Tim. Fourth place is Jeff Clark. Fifth, McCoy. Your race